Hi everyone, welcome again to the class of literary readers. So today I'm going to talk about the African American novelist, a short story writer, poet and a social activist, Alice Walker. So let's proceed. Alice Walker was born in United States in the year 1944. She was also an activist in the civil rights movement. The civil rights movement was a decade long struggle by African Americans to end the institutionalized racial discrimination in the United States. She was also awarded the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction and National Book Award for the novel The Color Purple. Next, I'm going to talk about the term womanist. The term womanist was coined by Alice Walker within her 1982 publication In Search of Our Mother's Gardens, Womanist Prose. Now, feminism is a form of feminism focused specially on the experiences, conditions, and concerns of women of color, especially black women. So, what we need to remember about the term feminism is number one, a feminist is a black feminist or feminist of color who opposes sexism in the black community and racism throughout the feminist community. Number two, according to Alice Walker, the feminist movement unites women of color with the feminist movement. Number three, feminists work to ensure the well being of all of humanity, male and female. And if we talk about the difference between the term feminism and feminism, then feminism focuses strictly on gender discrimination, while feminism opposes discrimination against women in the areas of race, class, and gender. Next, we have the important works by the writer Alice Walker. First, we have The Third Life of Grange Copeland, published in the year 1970. The story talks about Grange, his wife, their son, and granddaughter Ruth. The novel is set in Georgia, United States. Next, we have Meridian, published in the year 1976. The setting of this novel is around 1960s and 1970s centuries. The novel is about Meridian Hill, a young black woman who is attending college and embracing the civil rights movement. The novel talks about her life and her continued efforts to support the movement. Next, we have the most celebrated work by Alice Walker, The Color Purple, published in the year 1982. The novel comes under the genre of epistolary novel, that means in the form of letters. The novel got Pulitzer Prize for Fiction and National Book Award. This novel is set in rural Georgia of the United States. The story focuses on the life of African American women in the southern United States in the 1930s, addressing various issues including their low position in, in American social culture. The important characters are Sally, Nettie, Mr. Sherk, Adam, and Olivia. Next, we have The Temple of My Familiar, published in the year 1989. The novel Temple of My Familiar connects multiple narratives that are all connected with each other in the struggle to find moral truth. Here we have Arveda, who is a musician, Carlotta, his wife, Suelo, a professor of history, and Fanny, Suelo's former wife. This novel talks about the history of how humans have changed with the changing truths and mysteries in society. Next, we have the last novel by Alice Walker, Possessing the Secret of Joy, published in the year 1992. The story talks about the important character Tashi, an African woman. She also appears in the novel The Color Purple. The novel, The Possessing of Secret of Joy, explores what it means to have one's gender that is culturally defined, and to emphasize that torture is not culture. So that is all for this video lecture. If you have any query, then post your comments in the comment section below, and keep watching Literary Readers. Thank you.